Mrs. Carper made 2 rows of desks with 8 desks in each row. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got 8 desks. Then remove 1 desk from one of the rows. Let's say that we remove this one. After removing 1 desk, what is the total number of desks? So we got 16 minus 1 is going to be 15. So our correct answer is here. Anna has 12 more books than Paul. Paul has 40 more books than James. James has 20 books. How many books does Paul have? Let's solve and let's find out what is this problem or how to solve this problem. Well, James, let's start with James because we know how much he get. Exactly, James has 20 books. Paul has 14 more than James, so if we add the 14 he got plus those 20 that James have, we gotta add to find out how many Paul has specifically. That would be 4 and 34. So then Paul has 34 books. Now what about Anna? Anna has 12 more books than Paul. We know how many books Paul have. Paul has 34 and that's Paul on the right P here, and Anna with A has 12 books. We are going to add 4 plus 2 6, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Anna has 46, so Anna has the most books, but we are not looking for Anna's book. We are looking for Paul's books. Then we got a question. It says, how many books does Paul have? Paul has 34 books. Here is our answer. Mrs. Scott bought 3 packages of hot dogs. There were 10 hot dogs in each package. Her family ate some of the hot dogs. Then there were 24 hot dogs left. Let's solve this problem together. 3 packages, package 1, package 2, and package 3. There were 10 hot dogs in each package. 10 here, 10, and 10. If we add them all, that will be equal to 30 hot dogs. Right here, HD, hot dogs. Her family ate some. We don't know how many exactly. Ate some. This is not telling a specific amount. Then there were 24 left. I mean, they ate some and 24 were left. We know how many hot dogs were and how many were left. What we're gonna do is to subtract the all amount of hot dogs minus those left, and let's find out what was that sum. That would be 10 because 0 minus 4 is not possible, and 2 and 3 becomes 2. 10 minus 4 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. So those some hot dogs were exactly 6. So question, how many hot dogs did Mrs. Scott's family eat? 6. Independent practice. Mrs. Carper made 2 rows of desks with 8 desks on each row. Then she removed 1 desk from one of the rows. After removing 1 desk, what is the total number of desks in the 2 rows? Well, this is a 2-step word problem. You have to identify what or how many desks are there. You have 2 rows. I'm gonna give you some hints. And it says a desk on each one. If you did this, okay, that's correct. And then we have 16 desks already. We add a plus 8. And she removed one desk from one of the rows. So 16, we have to remove one out of here. That'll be equal to 15. Janine made 3 pies for each of her 3 friends. Each pie she used 3 apples. How many apples did Janine use in all? She made 3 pies. Pie 1, pie 2, and pie 3. In each pie she used 3 apples. 3 apples over here, 3 in here, and 3 in this one. If we add all the apples, that'll be equal to 9. 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Question, how many apples did Janine use? She used 9 apples. Yep.